Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to do a quick video of a flip through of my latest kit. It's called Spring Bunny. It's a 35 page digital kit, and on Etsy, if you purchase it on my Patreon, it's a 40 page kit. And there's also, I think there's 7 free sheets on Patreon as well. 3, or is it 6? I'll count them as we go through. So on my Patreon, there is now 323 pages of freebies. 323. I've also got a Patreon shop which has all my digitals in, and you also get extra sheets on the shop when you purchase digitals as well. So lots of free extras floating around. So yes, there's 7 freebies. So for all paid Patreons, there's 7 extra freebies added this month. So we've got this one, which is, you know, a full page. You can obviously use it, or you can use it obviously to make ephemera, or you could, you know, cut these out or tear around them. So there's that page and that page. This is, it's like a pale green grungy, and this page like a damask, and this blue one, don't think the colours turning up too great on the camera. There's a page of tags which have got this, you know, stitching around them, and obviously you can decorate those up. And we've a page of fussy cuts, which again, you know, you could use that as a page if you so wanted. You could always, you know, make these into small journal cards. You can make that into a pocket. But yeah, they're supposed to be fussy cuts. So they're the freebies what are actually on Patreon. These 5 pages are the 5 that you get with the 35 if it's brought from the Patreon shop. So I've got that one and that one. Got this one, which is obviously a page plain on one side and that on the other side. Obviously you could tear around that and use the image for something else. You could stick those 2 together, cut it down a little bit, have it as a big journal card, and then your back, you'd be able to write on it. Okay, there's a plain one. This is a blue version. If you look at the difference, there is quite a lot of difference. This is more green, that's more blue. And this one, which can definitely be a page, or it is supposed to be fussy cuts, so you can tear around them or cut around those. So they're the 5 that you get when the kit's purchased from Patreon. Sorry if I keep repeating myself. Obviously the dog keeps barking, I keep pausing, and I come back and forget what I've said. So this is the main kit, 35 pages. We'll start off with the actual journal pages. Obviously, like I've said before, you know, you can use these images and tear around them. So I've got one with the bunny on that side. Then with this one with an image on, you know, each side. Obviously I would cut the border off. I've got a little bicycle up there and a bird up there. And then this one, that's got a cottage and a window. So they're the kind of journal pages, you know, to what you can write on. We've got a couple of backing pages, so you can pop those back in your printer, and these can go, you know, on the back. I was running out of ink a bit, so you might see this bit of a line effect. That's not in the digital, that is, you know, printer error. This is another plain one, which you can either, you know, back with. Then we've this lovely burlap one. So it's nice to get some texture without adding that bulk. And then we've got it in a darker shade. I think they're great for making ephemera. Got a nice script one. And we've got an invoicey one there. So they're kind of, you know, the plain sepia coloured sheets. Then we've got some full florals. You could tear around these. Great for making ephemera, but also, you know, lovely for pages. And, you know, there is bits of writing space if you wanted to write on them. So we've got that one, make a nice middle page, and that one, and that one. Obviously you can print these as well, 2 to a page, get half size, 4 to a page. You obviously get a quarter of the size, so they'd make ideal journal cards or pockets. And that one. So they're the kind of florally pages. Then we've got this nice green damask. Again, we've got this line on there. That is my printer, not the papers. And this one, which is a pinky. Then we've got like 2 beiges. This is a beigier. This has got like a pinky hue to it. Doesn't show up fabulous on camera, but you know, there's definite differences in it. We've got 2 different blues. So I do like those for, you know, making envelopes and tags and stuff. Again, that line is quite bad on there. But I will use these. I won't get rid of them and reprint them out. You can obviously use the lines, 4 lines. So we've got 2 different greens, a darker one and a lighter one. So that's all the actual papers. So lots for journaling and making your own ephemera or for backing. And then we've got some ephemera. I don't put a lot of ephemera in my kits because I just think, you know, a lot of you like to make your own ephemera. So we've got this little folio. It can be used as a kind of envelope, or it's an opening folio. You would want to print on the back or collage the back of it. And these pockets fit in there. You can use all of them, or, you know, just 1 or 2. And these, you can use these as bands inside if you wanted. So yeah, lots of fun different ways to play with that one. Then we've got a lovely envelope and a file folder. Left them plain so you can decorate them yourself, and obviously then they come in handy with other kits and things. Got a page full of pockets with all interesting you know, tops, openings. Again, left them pretty plain so you can, you know, decorate them. Just add a label or a little bunny. We've got some tags. Again, we've got the sewing around them. Got a couple in like invoicey, and then some in the green damask. So they'll be nice to decorate. Then I've done a sheet of the floral ones, and I've got these two like label pieces there. And obviously if you wanted them smaller, you could do those 2 to a page. Then we've got as fussy cuts, so we've got 2 pages, and they're all, you know, different ones. And then I've done them that they're, you know, 2 to a page. And like I say, you don't have to cut them all out. You could have those as little journal cards or pockets. And then there's another one half the size, and then I've done that page as a half size as well, if you wanted smaller butterflies and smaller birds. So didn't do any actual florals with this. Obviously they've got florals on them, but I'm sure we've got plenty of, you know, pictures of florals and that we can add to it. So that is my February kit, and it is called Spring Bunny. I'm just doing one kit this month. I've not had the time or the energy to do any more than that this month. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back in a day or two, and we're starting a new project. So thanks, and thanks to everybody who's bought the kit so far, and yeah, enjoy playing with these cute bunnies. And oh, the colours, you know, the pastels, yeah, make you feel smiley. Okay, until next time, bye for now.